Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on prisms and cylinders, common features. Prisms have at least two faces which are directly opposite each other. These faces are exactly the same shape and size. So you can see that, for example, the top and the base down the bottom are the same. The green here and the one on that side are the same. And this blue and the one on the opposite side are the same. So the rectangular prism has a yellow top and a base which is exactly the same shape and size. The green face to the right has another face to the left with the same shape and size. The blue face to the front has another face to the back which is exactly the same shape and size. Let's look at the triangular prism. The green face at the top has another face on the base which is exactly the same shape and size. See the common features between those two prisms there? They've got at least two sides which are the same shape and size. That's got two, that's got more than two, but the important thing is they have at least two. Okay, they've got at least two. Rectangular prisms in real life. The tissue box is a very good example of a rectangular prism. So is the cereal box, that piece of timber, and that brick. Cylinders have a circular base and a circular top. These circles are exactly the same shape. The base of the cylinder is exactly the same size as the blue top. And let's look at some cylinders in real life. Here's a candle. And there are some important cylinders there in the engine. That could be an engine for any type of motor car, for example, truck, vehicle, or anything else. And the drink cans also are very, very good examples of cylinders in real life. So this video has given you a very basic introduction to some prisms and cylinders and some common features where at least two of the faces are the same for both prisms and cylinders.